अथ नवमोऽध्यायः। श्रीभगवानुवाच इदं तु ते गुह्यतमं प्रवक्ष्याम्यनसूयवे ज्ञानं विज्ञानसहितं यज्ञात्वा मोक्ष्यसे शुभात्।
The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, My dear Arjuna, because you are never envious of me, I shall impart to you this most confidential knowledge and realization, knowing which you shall be relieved of the miseries of material existence.
Raja Vidya Raja Guhyam Pavitram Idamuttamam Pratyakshaavagamam Dharmyam Susukham Kartumavyayam.
This knowledge is the king of education, the most secret of all secrets. It is the purest knowledge, and because it gives direct perception of the self by realization, it is the perfection of religion. It is everlasting, and it is joyfully performed.
Ashraddhanaah purushaah dharmasyasya param tapa aprapya mam nivartante mrityu samsara vartmani.
Those who are not faithful in this devotional service cannot attain me, O conqueror of enemies. Therefore they return to the path of birth and death in this material world.
Maya tatam idam sarvam jagadam vyaktamurtina masthani sarvabhutani na jaham teshvavasthitaha.
By me, in my unmanifested form, this entire universe is pervaded. All beings are in me, but I am not in them.
Nacha masthani bhutani pashyame yogamaishwaram bhutabhinna cha bhutastho mahatma bhutabhavanaha.
And yet everything that is created does not rest in me. Behold my mystic opulence. Although I am the maintainer of all living entities, and although I am everywhere, I am not a part of this cosmic manifestation, for myself is the very source of creation.
Yatha akashasthito nityam Vayuhu sarvatra go mahan Tatha sarvani bhutani matsthani tupadharaya.
Understand that, as the mighty wind blowing everywhere rests always in the sky, all created beings rest in me.
Sarvabhutani kaunteya prakritim yanti mamikam kalpakshaye punaha tani kalpado nisrijamyagam.
O son of Kunti, at the end of the millennium, all material manifestations enter into my nature, and at the beginning of another millennium, by my potency, I create them again.
Prakritim sam avashtabhya visrijami पुनः पुनः भूतग्रामम् इमं कृत्स्नम् अवशं प्रकृतेर्वशात्.
The whole cosmic order is under me. Under my will, it is automatically manifested again and again, and under my will, it is annihilated at the end.
न च मां तानि कर्माणि निबध्नन्ति धनञ्जय. उदासीनवदासीनम् असक्तं तेषु कर्मसु.
O Dhananjaya, all this work cannot bind me. I am ever detached from all these material activities, seated as though neutral.
मयाध्यक्षेण प्रकृतिः सूयते सचराचरम्. हेतुदानेन कौन्तेय जगत् विपरिवर्तते.
This material nature, which is one of my energies, is working under my direction, O son of Kunti, producing all moving and non-moving beings. Under its rule, this manifestation is created and annihilated again and again.
अवजानन्ति मां मूढाः मानुषीं तनुमाश्रितम्. परं भावमजानन्तो मम भूतमहेश्वरम्.
Fools deride me when I descend in the human form. They do not know my transcendental nature as the Supreme Lord of all that be.
मोघाशा मोघकर्माणो मोघज्ञाना विचेतसः. राक्षसीम् आसुरीं चैव प्रकृतिं मोहिनीं श्रिताः.
Those who are thus bewildered are attracted by demonic and atheistic views. In that deluded condition, their hopes for liberation, their fruitive activities, and their culture of knowledge are all defeated.
मगात्मानस्तु मां पार्थ दैवीं प्रकृतिम् आश्रिताः. भजन्ति अनन्यमनसो ज्ञात्वा भूतादिम् अव्ययम्.
O son of Pritha, those who are not deluded, the great souls, are under the protection of the divine nature. They are fully engaged in devotional service because they know me as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, original and inexhaustible.
सततं कीर्तयन्तो मां यतन्तश्च दृढो व्रताः. नमस्यन्तश्च मां भक्त्या नित्ययुक्ताः उपासते.
Always chanting my glories, endeavoring with great determination, bowing down before me, these great souls perpetually worship me with devotion.